Why does your scanner show the P023F engine code? What does it mean? P023F is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pump secondary circuit open. It indicates the PCM has detected a problem with the fuel pump's electrical circuit, potentially an open circuit or other electrical issue. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Open circuit. Faulty fuel pump relay. Fuel pump control module issues. Fuel pump issues. Short to ground or voltage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Cadillac, Subaru, Chevy, and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.